Okay, so the second goal for today was what, Chris?
Investigate and describe interrelationship of body systems.
Good. So we're going to investigate and describe the interrelationship, the interconnectedness between, most importantly, the respiratory and circulatory today. But what you guys are going to notice in this lab is there's a lot of other systems coming into play. So this lab is all about maintaining homeostasis. What does homeostasis mean? Haley?
Keep your body level.
Good. To keep your body level or in balance. Very nice. So today, we're going to have a few people actually do some exercise, and we're going to have a few people actually recording some data, and a few people who are going to be coaching them. So there's no loafers. What is a loafer? That's right, no loafing. So our problem, the whole point of doing this today is what, Kyle Burfield? What is the question we are trying to answer?
Figure out what your body does when you exercise.
Good, and we're particularly looking at respiration, so breathing rate, heart rate, and perspiration level. Very nice. And so right at the end of this lab, you should be able to answer this question. So the first thing we have to do is actually know where to take a pulse. So put up your left hand, okay, the thumb side of your left hand, right towards in your wrist area, is going to be like a little indentation. You're going to take your first two digits on the opposite hand, and you're going to feel there for a pulse. What you're going to do is take a baseline, how they are at a resting state, and then start them with the exercising. Okay? So first they're inactive. You're going to take their respiratory, so their pulse rate. You're going to watch them breathe in and out, and then they're going to exercise, and you're going to do the same thing. Okay? So number 2 says you're going to measure the heart rate by taking his or her pulse. To take the pulse, you're going to place your second and third fingers right in the area I showed you, and you're going to very carefully count while somebody else is timing, because we're in groups of 4 today. So one person can be the timer while the other one is actually counting. And then after you do that, you're going to look at their respiration level. So all you're going to do is stare at the person's chest and watch their chest go in, out, in, out. Same with the person's breathing rate. You do it for 15 seconds. You calculate it or times it by 4 to get the calculated data. And, of course, you're going to continue this. Repeat the steps 3 more times. You're going to watch, hopefully, their respiration and so their circulatory and respiratory system cause all of that to increase. That's the goal. Is it going to happen? I don't know. We have to investigate it. We have to see if what I've just told you is going to be accurate. Any questions? Okay, so we are going to just do the lab portion. Next time we're going to come back and talk about the data and finish graphing the data and doing all that. Ready? Disperse.
I'm dead now.
No, I found it. Okay. So 15 times 4 is what? 15 times 4 is 15, 60, 30, 45, 60. Yeah. This is 60. Okay. So hang out. Heart rate. Hang out. Be normal. Okay. Go.
Just get to it.
Okay.
You're making me laugh.
Sorry. 15. I got 9. It's sort of popping. Okay, so
That's every day.
So breathing rate. So 32. Respiration level 0. None. Okay. Now start exercising. Wait. Okay. Oh, good. Okay, good. Okay. Ready? Set. Go. times 4. 34 times 4. 34, 16, 12, 136.
Put your hand in the air if the person, the exerciser's heart rate and breathing rate went up after one trial. Ah, how many of you actually would have thought that would have been the case? Okay.